guys. So I'm just gonna get started right away because I tried to film this video yesterday and I literally messed up on the first step. I made my eyebrow look like a wet dog. So yeah, I'm back today and I really want to get this right because I feel like they would come out good. So I'm going to go ahead and laminate my brows with this kit. I literally just bought the cheapest one off Amazon. If it comes out good, I'll go ahead and link it down below. And then it also came with this little box, and this box is like the plastic film that's going to actually laminate my brows. So yeah, it was these two items, and then the instructions are on the back of this box. So I'm literally just gonna be reading it. Hopefully it's not hard. I've been looking at a lot of videos, so yeah. I'm also going to be rating some of the best / worst outfits of Disney Channel characters. And by best, I mean the worst. So I just opened the box and it comes with the glue kit. This is a thing that I already messed up with yesterday. Instead of just working in sections, I put it on the whole brow and it literally did not want to move. So yeah, my hair was plastered in this really ugly way and I was like, you know what, I'm hungry, I'm gonna just end this. So yeah, I'm just gonna be working in sections and talking to you guys because I'm bored, but let's go ahead and get started on the very first outfit.
Okay, so yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna be working real slow this time. So yeah.
Okay, she's standing up. She's getting there. So, this photo. I just want to know, like, what? This girl is very beautiful. Obviously, if you don't know her, you live under a rock. This is Miss Zendaya herself. And she's actually had an accumulation of a bunch of these type of 2013 swag outfits. And my question for this, first of all, I'm gonna rate this outfit off the bat, like, it's not that bad. And the reason it's not that bad is because at least the colors are matching. I'm gonna give her that. The colors are matching, you know, she got the red, she got the black, she got the white. She got the leather jacket, the jersey, you know, she's in like the streets. I don't even know what the hell is back there, what that car's doing. It looks kind of sketchy where she's at. So, you know, she's giving you street vibes. She's giving you normal person, everyday looks. I'm gonna just be real. The worst part for me is the shoes. Like, the shoes did not need that pump. They did not need it. They never did. And it didn't do anything for her. It's also the pose. The pose that she's giving us is very like, I don't know, y'all was gonna take this. Let's see if the next one is gonna be worser. Okay, so they're not looking that bad. I mean, it's just hard to get them staying stuck up like that because they're used to growing this way, but we're going. Okay, so next photo is Miss Ashley Tisdale's. And you know, this one gets me kind of mad. Like, not mad because of the outfit in itself. It gets me mad because it's like, it just don't make sense. Like, the skirt and then jeans. I know it's like a popular thing back then to do like the leggings and the skirt. You know, even like leggings and like a jean skirt. That was hot. Like, that was some hot girl and this just makes me mad because it's like, why are you even giving that? It's not giving what they thought it was gonna give. The piano purse, like, I just feel like Claire's the store threw up on this woman. You know, something nice that I could say was that, no, like, I literally can't think of one good thing about this outfit. I'm just gonna go ahead and declare it worse than Zendaya's because at least Zendaya was giving you like, you know, street vibes, but this girl is on the red carpet looking like that. Like, who let her go out? Okay, so it's pretty hard. Like I said, it's really hard to manipulate, you know, the brush with the glue and such. So we're working. But you know what's sad is that, you know, Miss Sharpay Evans, you know, she gives you a lot of looks. And then Ashley Tisdale, she doesn't do it. She doesn't do it for anyone. I almost want to hold it like this so that like it stays, you know what I mean? They just don't want to stay up, which is the annoying part. Okay, one brow down, next one to go. So yeah, so far we have Ashley Tisdale at the worst, and then the Zendaya is coming out to second. So moving on to the very next outfit. Now, I didn't pick these photos like randomly. I like these characters, but this one, I just want to say she's like one of my top favorite Disney characters right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Rainy Rodriguez.
Ponte a sonreír, ven conmigo, fiesta salsa, fiesta salsa.
Latina queen, Latina ambassador. She's giving us quince vibes right here. And personally, I would not have worn this quince dress to my quince. It's not the worst. I love the quince dress. I don't know if that's why I want to say it's not the worst. It's obviously kind of giving you like swap meet vibes, like tackiness, but the dress on her looks good. The dress, I love the corset. I love the details. It's just really the fact that it's zebra that takes away from like, you know, making her like the hottest. But I want to say it's even better than Zendaya's. I mean, obviously Zendaya's like a streetwear. Ashley Tisdale's, don't know about that. But, you know, for this outfit, it looks good on Rainy. So I don't want to take that away from her. I honestly feel like it's the best one. So I'm going to put her at number 1 because she looks good. Oh, it's not that bad. Okay, guys, moving on to the next outfit. Coming in hot at number 4, we have one of my favorites, all-time favorites. I looked up to this girl, even though I always try to look up to girls that were my same ethnicity. This white girl just had it. Like she just had what you wanted. She gave what she was supposed to give. It is Miss Lizzie McGuire. Now this outfit on the other hand, you know, obviously I'm trying to pick outfits out that are kind of questionable. This one definitely is questionable. It's like a typical thing for people of a different ethnicity to try and dress up as a different ethnicity. And she's giving us, you know, I don't want to use the wrong term, but I guess I would say more Japanese. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's obviously of a different culture. She has the chopsticks in her hair, which they're okay, you know, looking at it from head to toe, it's not the worst thing. For me, the disaster is the shoes. Like, I get that this type of vibe, like, you know, girls of that ethnicity wearing kimonos and stuff, they be wearing clogs, but the clogs on her, it literally looks like if she was to step on something, like if she was to walk through grass, she would literally take up a heap of mud and be walking with it.
So we have number 1 at Miss Rainy Rodriguez. We have number 2, Miss Lizzie McGuire. And then we have number 3, Zendaya. Number 4, Ashley Tisdale.
The very last girl I'm gonna pick, you know, she's relatable to some, but I'm gonna just go ahead and say it. It is Miss Hannah Montana. I'm gonna be real. I picked this outfit because, yeah, like her facial expression, you know, it was just a bad timed photo. It was not one of her best, but you get like a really good picture description in this photo. Starting from the neck down, I just want to say this. If you're at this point, I already know, like look at the crowd or look at her backup dancers behind her. Like she can afford backup dancers, but you can't afford a better weave. Moving down, she has a wife beater. It literally looks like a wife beater's shirt that she's rocking under all that layering. So she's starting off already kind of rocky. The second layering is a black sequenced vest, which isn't the worst, you know, like for the look she was going, it went with her, I guess. And then on top was this jacket, kind of like a coral peach jacket, which it's cute, but for me, it's just the pants and the belt and the weave and the wife beaters and the love necklace. Zendaya's is funny because of the time era. It's a pretty bad outfit, but I actually think Hannah Montana's is a better outfit than Zendaya's. Is that crazy? I'm done with brushing them up, so let's see the next step.
Apply the glue on the brows. Brows brush by my shape, then covering the film on brows for 10 minutes.
So we're gonna go ahead and wait 10 minutes. I'm gonna put a timer on and I'll be back. Okay guys, so the 10 minutes has passed up. So let's see.
Apply perm lotions on brows, covering the film on for 10 minutes.
Perm, okay. Little capsule. It smells like Nair. So at exactly 6:10, I'm gonna take this off. So it's been 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off.
It feels like sweaty when I take it off, but it's good. Okay, so number 3, apply fixation lotions on brows, covering the film on brows for 10 minutes again. So now I'm gonna use the fixation. Do this, and then cut it, which I should be doing.
So we are waiting another 10 minutes. It feels so good when you take it off.
Remove cling film using the number 1 cleanser lotion to clear off all perm residue. Okay, so yeah, a lot of residue is coming off.
Go ahead and go in with the nutrition, which is like the last solution I need to put on. Okay, so the final 10 minutes are done and I'm ready to reveal the final kind of look to them, I guess. I am done. I don't know if you guys can see. You know, it's not that big of a difference. Maybe I didn't do them for as long as I needed to, but I definitely like it. I don't hate it. The experience was okay. I feel like for as much time as I took, like a night going out, maybe I would do it like way before I was to go out, but it looks good. I feel like this is a look to where maybe if I filled them in, it would look better. But this is the final result. If you guys liked it, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna take some photos just to see like a better before and after. But yeah, let me know what you guys think and I'll see you next time.